In Miami Gardens, comfort and coolness aren't just luxuries, they're essentials. The South Florida climate brings plenty of sunshine, humidity, and seasonal heat, making good airflow and ventilation critical for every home. While most homeowners think about air conditioners and ceiling fans, one often overlooked factor has a major impact on indoor comfort: proper window installation. Windows aren't just design elements, they control how air moves through your home, how much light you receive, and how well your interior stays cool and comfortable. When installed correctly, windows help your home breathe, balance humidity, and maintain steady temperatures year-round. Here's how proper window installation enhances airflow and overall comfort for Miami Gardens homeowners. Seamless ventilation and air movement. The key to maintaining a comfortable home in Miami Gardens is consistent, natural airflow. Properly installed windows allow fresh air to circulate freely while letting stale air escape, creating a healthier and more refreshing environment. When windows are aligned and sealed correctly, air moves efficiently through your home without leaks, drafts, or dead spots. This natural ventilation not only cools your interior but also helps remove indoor pollutants, moisture, and odors, especially important in Florida's humid climate. For example, casement and slider windows are popular in South Florida because they open wide, capturing coastal breezes and directing airflow throughout your space. When installed at the right height and orientation, they optimize cross-ventilation, allowing for cooler interiors even without constant air conditioning. Preventing hot spots and uneven temperatures. Poorly installed windows can create hot zones, areas where warm, stagnant air builds up, making rooms feel stuffy and uncomfortable. Gaps, misalignments, or improper sealing can allow outdoor heat to seep in and disrupt temperature balance. Professional window installation ensures airtight frames and correct placement, preventing unwanted drafts and helping air circulate evenly throughout the house. By controlling how air enters and exits, properly fitted windows maintain consistent temperatures from room to room, whether you're in the living area, bedroom, or kitchen. In Miami Gardens' tropical environment, this balance can make a noticeable difference in everyday comfort, especially during those long summer afternoons. Reducing dependence on air conditioning. With the right installation and window design, Miami Gardens homeowners can rely less on air conditioning to stay comfortable. Properly installed windows enhance natural ventilation, allowing you to enjoy outdoor breezes and reduce indoor humidity without constantly running your HVAC system. Energy-efficient windows with low E-glass coatings, insulated frames, and tight seals keep cool air inside while blocking heat from entering. When installed correctly, they form a strong barrier against South Florida's intense sun, lowering cooling costs and making your home more sustainable. This combination of energy efficiency and natural airflow leads to a home that feels fresher and more comfortable, with less strain on your air conditioner and lower monthly energy bills. Improving indoor air quality. Proper window installation doesn't just improve comfort, it also enhances indoor air quality. In humid climates like Miami Gardens, trapped moisture can lead to mold growth and musty odors. Correctly installed windows prevent condensation buildup by allowing humidity to escape and ensuring no gaps or leaks where moisture can accumulate. Additionally, secure and properly sealed frames block outdoor contaminants such as dust, pollen, and exhaust fumes from entering your home. The result is cleaner, fresher air that supports your family's health and well-being. Long-term comfort through professional installation. While premium windows make a difference, the real impact comes from expert installation. Even the best windows won't perform properly if they're installed incorrectly. Misaligned or loosely fitted frames can lead to air leaks, poor ventilation, and higher energy costs. A local Miami Gardens window installation professional understands the area's climate challenges, from humidity and salt air to hurricane resistance requirements. They'll ensure that your windows are precisely measured, fitted, and sealed for optimal performance and longevity. Proper installation also ensures compliance with Florida's building codes, providing peace of mind that your windows can withstand strong winds and seasonal storms while maintaining comfort year-round. A cooler, more comfortable home awaits for Miami Gardens homeowners. Proper window installation is one of the smartest investments you can make for comfort and efficiency. It enhances natural airflow, balances indoor temperatures, reduces reliance on air conditioning, and improves indoor air quality, all while making your home feel brighter and more inviting. With professional installation and energy-efficient designs, your windows become more than just architectural features. They become the gateway to a cooler, cleaner, and more comfortable living space tailored for Florida's tropical lifestyle. If you're ready to upgrade your home's comfort, consider consulting a local Miami Gardens window installation expert who understands how to maximize airflow and performance in your unique environment. With the right windows and expert craftsmanship, every breeze will remind you what comfortable Florida living truly feels like.